In this video, we explore the complex relationship between climate science and climate activism, delving into the question of when advocacy transcends into a form of religious fervor. We'll begin by grounding ourselves in the factual foundations of climate science before examining the passionate yet often polarizing nature of activism. As we dissect the moral imperatives driving the movement, we'll address the risks of dehumanizing dissenting voices and the allure of utopian visions. Join us as we navigate the intricate interplay of faith in experts, apocalyptic rhetoric, and the burdens of environmental guilt in our pursuit of solutions to this pressing global crisis. 1. Understanding climate science. The foundation of facts. Climate science is the backbone of our understanding of global warming and climate change. It relies heavily on empirical research and data collected from various sophisticated instruments and methodologies. Scientists study everything from atmospheric carbon dioxide levels to ocean temperatures, striving to paint an accurate picture of our planet's changing climate. Peer-reviewed evidence is crucial in this field, ensuring that findings are scrutinized and validated by experts worldwide. The primary aim of climate science is to inform policy decisions, offering solutions that are grounded in facts and evidence. This scientific foundation provides the essential framework needed to address the pressing issue of climate change effectively. 2. Passionate advocacy. The heartbeat of climate activism. Climate activism is a powerful force that drives awareness and action against climate change. Unlike the objective stance of science, activism is fueled by passion and urgency. Activists often push for dramatic policy changes and lifestyle adjustments to combat climate change. Their calls to action are driven by the belief that immediate and significant changes are necessary to prevent catastrophic outcomes. However, this fervor can sometimes overshadow the evidence-based solutions recommended by scientists. The challenge lies in balancing the emotional drive of activism with the objective insights of scientific research, ensuring that advocacy remains grounded in reality. 3. Moral framework. Climate crisis as an ethical imperative. Many climate activists view the climate crisis through a moral lens, portraying it as an existential threat that demands urgent action. This moralistic approach can be likened to religious zeal, where failing to act is seen as a sin against the earth. This framing can make it challenging to engage in balanced discussions that consider multiple perspectives. While the moral urgency can be a powerful motivator, it can also create an environment where different solutions are not openly discussed. The key is to harness this sense of moral duty while remaining open to diverse ideas and strategies. 4. Dehumanization of dissenters. The risk of polarization. In some circles of climate activism, those who hold differing views or advocate for alternative approaches are often labeled as climate deniers or sinners. This polarization can mirror the demonization found in religious debates, where dissent is not just a difference in opinion but a moral failing. Such an approach stifles healthy debate and can prevent the emergence of innovative solutions. It is crucial to foster an environment where diverse opinions are respected and considered, allowing for a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of the climate crisis. 5. Utopian vision. The idealized future. Climate activism often envisions a utopian future where collective action saves the planet. This vision can become a rigid doctrine, expecting unwavering commitment to specific policies or beliefs. While a shared vision can unite people, it is essential to remain flexible and adaptable as new scientific insights or technological innovations emerge. Embracing a dynamic approach allows for the integration of diverse strategies, ensuring that the fight against climate change remains effective and resilient. 6. The role of faith and trust in experts. Just as religious followers place trust in spiritual leaders, climate activists often place complete faith in climate science and experts. While trusting scientific expertise is essential, it is important to engage critically with the data and maintain an open dialogue. Blind faith without questioning can lead to a one-sided narrative, limiting the potential for growth and innovation in the field. Encouraging critical engagement with scientific findings ensures a more robust and adaptive approach to addressing the climate crisis. 7. Apocalyptic rhetoric. The language of urgency The apocalyptic language is often used in climate activism to convey the urgency of the crisis. Warnings of imminent collapse or planetary destruction can resemble climate doomsday prophecy, similar to apocalyptic messages in religious doctrines. While the climate crisis is indeed urgent, excessive fear-inducing rhetoric can detract from constructive solutions. It is important to communicate the seriousness of the situation without inducing helplessness, focusing on pragmatic and actionable steps that individuals and societies can take. 8. Environmental guilt. The weight of responsibility. In some parts of the climate movement, there is a strong focus on collective guilt for environmental destruction. This can lead to individuals feeling a personal responsibility to atone for their carbon footprints. While acknowledging individual impacts is important, it is crucial to frame the issue within the larger context of systemic change. Encouraging collective action and policy reforms, alongside personal responsibility, provides a more balanced approach to addressing climate change effectively. 9. Rigidity in solutions. The challenge of dogma. Certain branches of climate activism promote specific solutions, such as transitioning immediately to 100% renewable energy. While these solutions align with emission reduction goals, the rigid insistence on them can resemble dogma. A more flexible approach that embraces technological innovation and gradual transitions may be more realistic and effective. By fostering an environment open to diverse strategies, the movement can adapt to changing circumstances and make a more significant impact.